Guys, take a look at the roots in the background. I drew them off stream. What do you think? Does it add to the menu? Do you like it? Fine, looking good. Yeah, you like it? Look good. Thank you. Yeah, I spent a lot of time on those. This is what they look like. I drew them here. Yeah, he's getting them ready. I'm getting them ready for some good programming. So what are we gonna do today, by the way, guys, is we're going to work on the gameplay loop. And we're going to add in more meta progression buffs as we see fit. And ultimately try to add more specific ones if we can. You know, now that we have more data available to us. Alright, so today, guys, we're going to work on the game loop of the game. That means we go on missions, we get money, and we spend the money on upgrades here. And the first thing I need to change is the icon for the Lone Ranger. We need to quickly add something as a picture to the Atlas. And then we're going to start working on a system that allows us to keep some money even if we lose. Whether we keep 100% of the money earned or a percentage, it depends. I have essentially the UI set up for this mostly. I'm not gonna work on the UI, but I need to fix some stuff. So, for example, this book right here. Book Lone Ranger. Do we have this? Assets. Book _ Lone Ranger. We actually have that. Okay, Meta Book Lone Ranger. Hello Tapir, my man. I hope you're doing good, bro. Long time no see. Deadly Swarm, Lone Ranger. Meta Book Lone Ranger. Here we go. And then that obviously looks a bit better. Alright. Lone Ranger. Damage if alone 20%. Rangers placed alone deal more damage. Okay, early rounds, we have done this. Gold plus 10%. Enemies gain movement speed. We have done that. It is level 3 out of 3. And I thought that I don't need these enums anymore. So I'm gonna do a code change right now where I remove the enums and then just generate a generic power-up array. We don't need the type, because I'm ultimately just changing... I decided to change stats for each of these. Wait a minute though, what is the enemy stats count, spawn rate? Wait, actually I do. I do need those types. Cakez, is your respec free? Yeah, my respec is free. And we currently have to, let's see, load game. When we load the game, I also want to... Meta progression, load meta progression, yeah. Save state meta progression levels. There we go. So we need to change that. I mean, max meta progression power-ups should maybe be used here. We'll have to see. Hello, Happy Rosenrot. Good morning, bro. I'm struggling to find where I should begin. So, meta progression power-ups dot level. This is a static array. So this time, meta progression levels. Meta index, array size, power up count. That would be the first one. For each power up that we have, I want to load the power ups level. Power ups on the, I guess we call it power up index. Level, I want to put it to those meta progression levels. Very good. Now, when we start a new save, these should all be 0. Good morning, Tipsy Monk. Hello there, sir. I hope everything is doing well. Yes, thanks for asking, bro. We're going to work on the gameplay loop today. If we get closer... to get closer to a functioning game, so that we can... Ah, there we go, see? Now we have properly loaded in, and we can now save as well if we don't wipe the save game. Essentially, we can now spend our gold, which means if we start going on a mission and we start earning gold, let's play the game. The cool thing is I can just make this times 10 now and it should just work. Let's put this to use. Alright, I also have to test the balance of my game. So for example, it looks like here this guy is too fast. And I cannot beat these 3 guys. So we have to figure out the balance around these 3 guys. I spent my gold on your mom, she's fantastic. Okay, yeah, that's good to hear. Very interesting, bro. There we go, we got our first gold. And we're obviously gonna lose, because the game is not balanced right now. Oh wow, I actually did lose. Okay, so we are game over right now. This is the important part. I have earned 25 gold. I killed 69 units and I paused 0 times. Obviously, this is completely broken. I'm gonna quickly fix this. But we're not going to work on UI today. We're just gonna quickly, you know, let's see. In-game, game over. In-game 1 level, in-game lost level. There we go. In-game lost level. I think it's just simple, right? We draw a sliced UI on the menu position and menu size. That was the first one, the first change. Wait, you got my mom? I spent my mom on your gold. I'm rich now. So that's the first thing. Doesn't look too bad now, does it, guys? And now we just gotta... yeah, we just gotta quickly fix this screen and see if we can do something with the gold, because we should have. Let's see what happens when I build this again. Gold saved, gold earned. Ah, you see how I earned 25 gold, but I only saved 5? This was the idea behind this. And instead of drop shadow, let's just do an outline. 27 into stream. Cakez said he will quickly fix it. Let's see. I did say that on 27, yeah? Okay, guys. You have no idea! Let's go! Okay. Now, I didn't... stats position. So this is the... this is gonna be a local scope. Something. Stats. I think these are the kill stats, no? Pause counter. Yeah, we draw the pause counter. The kill count. The number for the kills. And how much gold we earned. And how much gold we saved. Oh, look at that, boys. So these are the, I guess, level stats, right? How did we perform in the level? And I think the stats animation time. We'll have to see that. Okay, so the heading is... wow, that's a big game over. Damn. How about we just do 2, huh? Oh, hello there! The Dev Dead. 69 raiders. Damn. Hello, guys. Good morning. How are you doing? Welcome, guys. We're currently working on the gameplay loop of the game. And this little game over screen. But don't be deterred by this. This will not be looking like that for the eternity of the for the entire time. Gameplay, aka UI. No, No. Just quickly fixing this screen so we can move on. Okay, sir? Please. Alright. Grain of a screen. Okay, wait. This is gone. Actually. Don't need that. No invisible button. Cakez is a sick UI designer. You should hire him, the dev dad. Yeah, you think so? You think so? Draw menu template. Wait a minute. Menu position. Menu size. Line ID, I guess 1. Sprite header icon. Sprite white for now. And the title would be the string game over. There we go. Hey! Stop it! Let's take a look at this. This would be a normal game over screen. Huh? Oh, I see. I kind of fucked up everything, did I? Yeah. That's a little embarrassing. Guys, I need to quickly fix this, okay? Yeah, actually, I do not want to draw a menu template. Just a joke. This is just a joke, guys. I do not want to draw a menu template. And I do want to keep these for now. Yeah. 69 reminds me of your mom. I'm depressed now. Okay, bro, you're too, I'm gonna, like, listen, stop talking about my mom, okay? I'll send you 10 minutes into timeout, yeah? See you in 10 minutes. Okay, and then hopefully you have something better than mom jokes. Okay, bruv? Can't listen to your mom jokes while I'm doing some crazy 5-head stuff here, okay? Let's see that here. Menu position.x minus menu position.y minus menu size.y divided by 2 plus 20. There we go. Rip sticks, yeah. Goodbye, sticks. Okay, I just moved this thing. Let's do 120. We're gonna move this skull over here to the left. That is too much. How about 60? And then we do the same thing, but with plus 60. And then we get rid of this. Yeah, 60 wasn't good enough. So I guess we'll try 80. What do you guys think? Yeah. Actually, 74. Hey, how do you center a div? I think you just give it the center attribute, bro. You know what? Oops. I want to keep that. And then just turn this into vector2 top middle const. That would be this. And then I can decide how far we go down. I think 20 is a bit too much. Let's do 16. Right, now that we have top middle, we can use top middle. Plus vec2, and then we minus 74. And top middle plus 74. There we go. Then we have that, and then we can draw the text in the top and middle. So much easier. Here we go. Draw the text in the top middle. Very nice. Can you do a quick game demo for the raiders? You guys want to know what the game is about? Sure. Let me save that though. Interesting. I can press escape and the game keeps running. That's funny. So the game is a tower defense game that has a special spin on... I don't know what that is. Stat to string, target stat. Stat maximum health. I should have that. Wonder why that's happening here. Out of bounds, which index is that? 0. Count is 0. So it's indexing, wait a minute, it's indexing into this, but that's just a const expression normal array. That's not an array. Wait, it's not here. It indexes, where does it index? Hey? Target stats. The node. Doesn't have stats. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, fine. There's got to be... There's probably... Yeah, there's a node in there. That doesn't... Ah, fuck. That doesn't have stats right now. Okay. And it's trying to display those. Wait a minute. Let me fix that really quickly. It's kind of annoying when I'm trying to do something. Showcase something. Let's see. Stat to string. Target stats of 0. None. Actually, I don't... I see. So it doesn't... Name. So essentially, I guess we'll do this. Okay, quickly fixing that fucking annoying error, and then we can move on. Cakez, where's the Coffee Lava interview video? It's already uploaded to YouTube. I'm a bit scared to release it because it feels like to me that he didn't really want me to release it. Though it's, I just need to make a thumbnail and it's already done. Now we have none. Okay, looks like shit. But at least, yeah, none. Okay, cool. So essentially, it's a tower defense game with skill trees, essentially. That is heavily inspired by Path of Exile. And the cool thing about the game is that you can spend money on abilities, upgrade your skill tree. You can essentially travel along the skill tree, pick up different types of stats along the way and abilities. And you can always choose between 1 out of 3 abilities right here. So currently I only have 1 unlocked. I could potentially just do this. If I have 2 unlocked, I can choose 1 of the 2. And so you can, hopefully the idea is that you can create different builds together with different items and weapons. And the cool thing about the game is that it actually allows you to equip different weapons. And you see the change visually. So for example, this guy got a new sword. And you see that visual upgrade happening to him in real time. The same holds true for armor pieces. For example, I can give him a leather helmet. And then we can see the upgrades happening on him too. And so that's ultimately how I do upgrades. And the interesting or the catchy part about the game is this loop right here. Defined, like going very deep into this thing right here, where let me get some skill points so you can understand. Essentially, different nodes affect different abilities in different ways. Essentially, you can build a variety of builds from what I'm doing. So for example, cooldown does not only work on this ability here. You can see that currently on the bottom left it takes 30 seconds to recharge. And I spent another point for 5 cooldown. And by the way, guys, I do know that I need to fix the heading cooldowns. Okay, it's too large. I just didn't, like, I'm not gonna work on UI today. And so you can see that it goes down by 1 second. And so, but not only this, it affects this ability too. You see that I'm currently sitting on 6 seconds cooldown. I spend 2 points running across the top row, but it affected this ability as well. And so not only this, the ability duration. Oh no! No! Anyways. Sorry. Don't skip or coward. Read the message. Shut the fuck up, bitch. What is that message? And hello, Tishbox North. Long time no see, bro. Game getting ready for Christmas? I hope so. Essentially, you can see another one here. Ability effect duration. That also affects this ability. You can see duration in the middle is now 14 seconds, while before it was 12 seconds. Excuse me. And so ultimately, what I'm trying to build here is a skill tree build simulator, kinda, where you have a lot of choices to play the game in different ways. I know that the game will be imbalanced like crazy. I know that. I know that. I will just try certain things out. Some stuff will be OP, some stuff will be underpowered, and then based on feedback, I will balance this. But ultimately, I want this to be... I want the player to have as many options as possible. That's the idea for the game. And ability duration, by the way, also affects how long bleed lasts on the enemy. And the longer bleed lasts on the enemy, the more damage it does as well. Actually, I think the way I did bleed is now different, though. So I gotta figure that out. Oh god, there's another message. Okay, so I'm gonna read that message and then and we're gonna move on, okay? Because we were currently working on this screen right here, the game over screen. All right, Mr. OpBK. Good day, Mr. Cakez2D. Who is that person? How are you? I don't know. Today in Tokyo, first cold wind has come. Temperature reduced and some people started wearing light sweaters on top of the usual t-shirt. Eventually leaves will go yellow and then red. Yes, started happening here. This cold weather reminded me of space, which is always cold, which reminded me of a game named Among Us. Maybe you've played it. I did play it with my friends here. Anyway, if you played it, would you know if it... Wait, fucking chat. It's too fast. Anyway, if you played it, would you know that it is very necessary? You would know that it is very necessary to add the crew member to your game. Smiley fake. Good message, bro. Good message. Welcome. Good morning. Okay, guys. Let's begin here. Guys, I said I'm gonna work on this for 5 minutes, and how late is it now? Fuck, man, it's been 20 minutes. Minus 10 minutes, guys. Minus 10 minutes because of collect-off stuff. That's why I ban him, by the way, guys. That's why I ban him, because otherwise it just takes too long. Alright, where were we? Game over, right? The game over thing? In-game lost level. So, ultimately, I want to put the stats somewhere and then do the 2 buttons because they don't seem to work. Gold saved. Yeah, so gold saved. Yeah. And? So whenever we are done, I guess whenever I click the button, I transition to town, but I don't save the gold. I need to add that to... Okay, so essentially... This right here is how much gold we saved. And then I need to save the game at some point. Oh, great. Where's gold earned? Mm-hmm. There we go. Cakez, you know, in Hardbound, there is no skill tree or level up or items or anything like that. I wonder why you decided to make it like that. It's an interesting take indeed, especially since it's an RPG game. Don't care, bro. Don't fucking care. I care about my game, bro. What is this? What is Collector's deal in Pirate Software, man? You living... See, like, living rent-free in your head, bro? You gotta get something to do, you know? Bruv. He even said the least positive thing about Unity Galaxy Media. Hey Cakez, did you know that in... I'm just gonna ban you. Stop the copy-paste arenas, guys. Cringe. You guys are cringe, okay? Stop it. Stop it. Okay, so new buttons. We're gonna draw these. Button home. Button wait, I have those. Eh? Why do I not have them? Wait, these gotta be different home buttons. Oh, wait. Sprite button home, okay. And sprite button restart, I guess. Cool, now we have those two buttons. They are here somewhere. Look at that, boys! Shit. What happened?
Gotcha, bitch.
What happened? Come on! Fuck, bro. T. Ah, wait. T doesn't exist. Wait a minute. Mm-hmm. I love locally scoped access, by the way, guys. I'm telling you, locally scoped access, best thing you could do. Essentially, this is private to the access scope. Let's invent some words. Of this if check. Okay? Nothing outside this if check can access the stats animation time.
Fuck Cakez.
I love it.
Hello Cakez dog clown fucker bastard aka balloon stealer 77
Wrong. Liar. And I'm gonna disable welcome messages if you guys keep spamming those. Then you have to pay for welcome messages too. I don't care. Hello Rafi, good morning. Too toxic. Alright, okay, looks like it works. Let's test. Yes, cool. Now. It was literally 2 messages, yeah, but toxic messages. And they interrupt. Disabling all features. Cakez regression, yeah. It's gonna be an Asmongold stream. You don't even have any features. Yeah, true. I don't care. Okay. No. Okay, so the heading is done for now. Level stats, we keep that here. Kill count, we have that. So the moment we click one of those buttons, the restart button or the transition to town button, any of those, we do game state, save state, dot gold, plus equals gold saved. Like this, and we save the game. There we go. Nice! So that means we have gold in the game now, guys. We can start earning gold. Now, we just need Like, these buttons kind of look ass. The window kind of looks ass. But take a look at this. Mark A. And then view library. Background roots. Gradient and roots. Is it this? Yeah. Take a look at this, guys. Watch this. Look at this. Huh? Tell me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, you mean the tests? Yeah, it's dog shit. Move on. It's not dog shit. You're wrong. Easy. Yeah. Remove. Wait. Wait. How was that? Exclamation mark. Counter. Remove. Test. I wanted to test something yesterday, but it didn't work. Unfortunately. What am I supposed to look for? The menu here looks good. You like the roots? The gradient? Looks fucking awesome, mate. Alright, let's put the home button into use. Let's say menu position plus menu size divided by 2 minus 30. There we go. Now it should be in the bottom right. There we go. I don't know why we would need the restart ID. Yeah, I've programmed this a long time ago. I don't even know why I would need to have a button ID. I can just put this here. And that's the first button. And I suppose we can just do this. That's the restart button, essentially. And then over here, we create a local scope that's called buttons. There we go. If this is restart, then the left one, I guess, would be home. So we do menu position minus menu. Actually, how do we do this? I'm not muted. There's no way. Okay, I'm not muted. Who was the first one? Rico. Good morning, sir. Why not put them into functions named instead of organizing by a function function name? What do you mean? It's a local scope. Not sure what your issue is, bro. Morning. Why are you muted? Dude, can you stop that? I'm not muted. Bro, shut up. I'm not muted, bro. Stop. Like stop. Like now it's infesting YouTube. Stop it, bro. I'm gonna ban you on YouTube too, you know. Just because you're on YouTube doesn't mean you're safe. Papai. Lol, I was 10 minutes late to a meeting because I was watching the stream, forgot all about it. Really? Oh, damn, bro. Like, I hope you're good, bruv. Yeah, I would say sorry, but that's on you, bruh. Alright, so let's see, minus menu size.x. Menu size.y divided by 2 plus 30. I mean, actually... Yeah, that's annoying. So essentially, you know what? We're gonna do it like this. We have menu position.x minus menu size.x divided by 2 plus 30. And then we have menu position.y plus menu size.y divided by 2 minus 30, essentially. That's the shitty button position const. There we go. Very nice. And we do button position. Well, we could do this in here, but it is how it is. There we go. So now that we have this, move back. See, I told you guys, it's gonna be fast. And the cool thing is, I can keep doing this right here. I can keep building and building and building, and it, you know, it's animating itself again and again and again. But it doesn't, like, it doesn't cause any issues. It doesn't, like, put the gold to my save state all the time.
No.
Miropasa just subscribed. Big tick support for 5 years. Best to C++ game developed streamer less than 3.
Thank you! Yes, true! True!
You know it will be more true when the game is released and it starts selling like fucking flies, bro. It starts selling like flies.
I'm telling you. It will sell! 100%. I thought this was C, paid chatter. No. Thank you so much for the support, by the way. Appreciate it. I like, and the positive message, of course, bro. Thank you. What a giga chat. All right, now gold saved. Let's start.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Sticks_dev just subscribed. Big tick support for 2 years. Fuck you.
Fuck you, bitch. Thanks for the money, asshole. Asshole.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Truter just subscribed. Big tick support for 18 years. Fuck you.
So, let's see here. Now, stats position. This is a sliced thing. Stats position. That should be the stats center instead. Should call that stats center. It's const though. That's bad. Damn, bro, I just logged in. He's crying, you guys. True. Immediate transformation to 10x. Yeah, of course. Stats center plus. What is that? I see. So we can't use that. I need to create a stats position. Vec2. Excuse me. Stats position is stats center minus stats size plus. I guess we do 20. Let's test it out. Excuse me. Font size, text data, that sucks. Text data, data numbers doesn't work. We're just gonna do that like this. Okay, so we draw the menu, then we draw. We do the first thing. So that's. See, this is was before I started using local scope. So that's the pause counter. Right, pause counter right here. Let's take a look here. Hype train over. Do we get the golden kappa? Open. Oh, we got the golden kappa emote, guys. Choo choo, look at that. We have this for 24 hours though. That's a lot, man. Damn, thank you guys. This is the first time we ever got a golden kappa train. I got it too. I wonder who got it. So people that participated, I guess. I didn't get shit. So Tipsy Monk, Godot, me, and Ramus, and Big Cool. Let's see. And maybe Trutor as well. Stykstev maybe too. Yeah. Yeah, Stykstev too. Yeah, so you guys pay to win. You lost, you know. You didn't pay to win. unfortunate, isn't it? Okay, let's see here. I mean, I could create 2 text. Nah, it's fine. Let's create a local scope. Let's do some programming now, though. Okay? I do appreciate the support nonetheless. It means a lot to me.
Okay, fine. We'll try that.
Wait a minute. I want to say this really quickly. It does mean a lot to me, and it does help me ultimately, hopefully, in the future, become a full-time streamer. And I do mean it. Thank you. No, it's just paused, Cakez fart. It's paused. I'm gonna unpause it. Okay. There you go.
What does restart mean? My computer? Or Steam? This is ridiculous. Steam?
Who said Steam, by the way?
I knew this was gonna happen!
Who said Steam, by the way? I should have banned this guy. Align. Right. Here we go. Let's see. Pause counter. Now it will start to get fucked up. Actually, we can't even do this yet. So we have the pause counter over here. Color. And then we draw the text and the number. And 0.8 doesn't look too bad, but 0.75 is better. I want to have drop shadow. I want to have outline. And align right. Pause counter. And then that would be stats position. So that would be stats position. And over here the text stats position. And then over here we need to add like a padding plus the vector 2 of number padding, which we don't have, of course. What will generate that really quickly? Const float number padding is... guys, you need to teach me. Those of you who do a lot of internet JavaScript stuff, okay? I know that you guys do. You don't be ashamed, okay? In a C++ stream, that's fine. Guys, let's say this is a div. Okay? Div. This right here, okay? It has a size. And inside this div, I have text. And I have a number. Okay. What is this distance called? Is this the margin? Padding. So this is padding. Padding. Yeah. Padding bottom. Okay, padding. What is this called? This thing right here. I'm gonna draw it in red. Margin. These bots. This is margin. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Then it's obviously a number margin. Thank you, guys. 50, I guess. If it's spacing outside of the element, padding is spacing of itself, is growing margin spaces between. You can use gap, number margin. So essentially what I want to do, in the reason why I'm doing this, by the way, the reason why I'm asking these questions is because I essentially want to do this. I want to do text 5, text 5, text 5, this is what I want to do inside of... Obviously, I don't have JavaScript or like layouting, right? But essentially, this is what I want to do. Okay, and the numbers here, these will be the level stats. How many kills, how much gold, how many heroes, whatever. And this will be the label, of course. That's essentially this right here. But it's all fucked up right now. Okay, so that's what I'm building at the moment. And I'm using these nice little local scopes to tell me, you know, what I'm doing with. So for example, times paused. There we go. And then stats position. This is how I generate a new item in the list. God, I want to play Witcher now, bro. Goodness. Gwent, log in, bro. UX UI is hard. Yeah, it is hard. That is true. It's annoying and hard. And oftentimes... yeah. I have a feeling that doesn't look right. Cakez, I think we should play hardbound. There's a lot to learn there. Here, like FX, his font is very good. Yeah, his font is awesome. I think he's using the same font for his shorts. It's incredible, incredible font. Yes. Very good stuff. It's very readable. Has proper spacing between the characters. For example, FX. I don't know. For example, yeah, probably. What's up, Cakez? Hello, Robin K on YouTube. Good morning. Let's see here. Text. Okay, gotta yoink the text and then units killed. And we can get rid of this. Turn this into a const. God, I love programming, guys. I just fucking love this! Sorry. I don't know what it is lately, but it's awesome. I feel like I'm making... So I don't know how I even managed to... I guess my wife was pregnant, huh? So I didn't really get much done. Though that being said, I did. Like, how did it take me? Like, what did I even do all this time? Took me so long, you know? No, it's a real question, you know? So you're getting self-aware? No, I'm just wondering, because ultimately, I don't think I could have done it any faster. I'm just wondering, what did I work on that took so long? Oh, I think it must have been the OpenGL rework, guys.
Gotcha, bitch.
It was the OpenGL rework. Yes. Wait, guys. I have a question. Explain this to me, okay, please? So, Git, okay? Guys, we are currently using Git. Of course, everyone uses Git. And you know how Git starts? They start with, which is now called the branch main. Okay? And obviously you build new commits and pushes. What happens when you split to a new branch? Okay. OpenGL. And then obviously you build new commits there, right? Obviously it flows down, but I just don't have space anymore down there, okay? So don't give me flack for that. And you know, obviously you could also just keep going down here, right? And ultimately when you try to merge these two, you have to like resolve these conflicts. But what I want to do here is, if I do a git log, okay? Will it tell me when this one was created? When this branch was created? How do I figure out the timestamp when I do git log? Can I just do git log and get the timestamp? Essentially. Just go to web. Yeah, but I mean the console is faster. Git log -- graph. That works. Guys, I wanna do it in the terminal here. Okay. Git log -- graph. I don't think that works, bro. Initial commit 2021. That's the first commit ever. That's the first commit ever, bro. That's the latest commit. So that's not how it works. One line will make it easier to read. Git log -- one line. Yeah, but it doesn't give me the date, bro. Guys, it doesn't give me the date. Origin master, save point before dumbest rework of the renderer. Vulkan sucks anyways, and I'm annoyed by the giant state machine. True. I am. Gotcha, but bitch. It doesn't tell me when that happened. Chat told me to commit. Oh, you mean this one here? Balloons like Dragon's drop system. Added an animation for buffs to the sword. Added shield bash ability. Warrior abilities. Shield drop. Small ability rework. Ability description rework. Yeah. Deleted update draw projectiles. Hero list update. Working 5 minutes of fun. UI reworks. When was this? Guild log graph, one line. Okay. Whoops. Quit. Git log -- graph -- one line. Bro, like, stop it. It doesn't give me the dates, bruv. Hello. Gitfork.com. Anyways, guys, so it is how it is. Yeah, so it doesn't work, it looks like. Fine. It's okay. Fine. Let's move on here. Would have been cool, but okay, fine. There we go. And then we get this right here. Git show, git reverse list, reverse main branch name. Apparently that will. Head 1. Rev list, reverse, git log. Chat has no idea. Yeah, chat's dumb, actually. You know? Chat's actually dumb. True. Joke, by the way. What is that? It's just another menu here, okay. At the stats position, I guess. Sudo RMF, yeah, sure. YouTube just found this Cakez. No, I'm not clicking your link. I don't believe. I don't trust you. I just don't trust you, bro. You're doing something fishy. You tried to reverse engineer my executable so you could steal my shit. Bro, it's tips for your game, I swear. Yeah, sure, I swear. Yeah. Like Rickroll or something. Of course. Yes. Very interesting and important. Totally. Uh-huh. Forgot the font size, by guys. I clicked it, legit short. Okay, so if I click this and this is not a legit short, I'm banning you for 2 hours. Because that's probably how long I need to program this. And why is Unreal Engine winning, by the way? I could be wrong here. I don't want to talk shit. Hello there, sir. Last time I checked, it was the market leader, but that could have changed. Of course. Let's get rid of color here. I want to have this clean as fuck. Alright. Yeah, but did you know that Tiny Glades on Steam uses the Bevy engine? You should use that instead. Fuck building your own engine, too lazy. Can you stop with the pirate software analogies, Mr. Collector of Stuff, bro? Just go and, I don't know, man, become his friend or something. Just, I don't care if he said that making an engine is good or bad. Don't give a shit, man. It's how I can make games, okay? That's ultimately the most important thing, okay? Yeah, that's looking better already. It's not perfect, but it's looking better. Oh, I see. It's supposed to be divided by 2 here. Then that should be in the middle. Okay, let's get some coding done, guys. Otherwise, and then obviously I don't want to center the text. I don't want to align it to the right even. I just want to align it to the left. There we go. And that's kind of bad. Is that plus 20, really? What about plus 5? It's amazing how tool is a constant in the game dev community. Tool was? Do you have a link to that? What is that, Mr. Rames? Ah, okay, there we go. So, that's odd. Sliced? Let's use a different type of wooden menu. How do you handle rendering objects, Cakez, booleans, switch statement? Over here. This is probably the best thing I can link you. And then in the playlist, in one of the videos, we have not the OpenGL tutorial, but we could do rendering sprites. This one here. That could help you. Number 7, rendering sprites. That should help you. Shader reloading could also be quite helpful for you if you want to know that, but that's essentially how I do it from a Texture Atlas. It's the same here. It's nothing changed. I do have bloom and lighting, which is not in the tutorial, but essentially nothing else changed. It's the same pipeline. Let's see here. So that's odd. Why is the font perfectly aligned with the top? Okay, so I guess back 2. I want to go 5? 5 pixels, man, that's a lot. And then I guess 8? Is there a C tutorial? You go to Travis Roman for C. Been watching Handmade Hero for the last couple of weeks, very interesting. Roughly 660 episodes. Yeah, you're not going to watch all of those, of course. You won't. However, you can use them as a general guidance. And once you feel comfortable enough, you should start making your own stuff. Alright, so stats position and then the number origin. How does that look? Okay, so the margin is not good enough. How about 90? They're helping you break even, exactly, bro. There we go. They help you to get to the point of withdrawal, yeah. Get the sales to 69. True. Why is the number... Oh, I see. I never said stats position. Alright, let me quickly code this, guys, and then we can work on the gameplay loop. Okay. Was it margin, right? Number margin. That is for the gold saved. There we go. Withdrawal is at $100 or $200? I think 100. I think $200 would be too high. It's like, for example, for YouTube, I think it's like $70 or something. I don't think it's gonna be much more for Steam. Would be ridiculous.
Am I so out of touch?
Ooh, Reconning.
No.
Reconning
man.
just subscribed.
Hello!
Big tick support for
How are you
25
doing?
years.
Long
Cakez
time no
7
see,
love
bro.
2.
Yeah. I'm still working on my game. It's not finished yet, okay? Hope you're doing good, man. What price are you planning to release the game with? 15 euros. There we go, guys. Times paused. Units killed. Why is it called units killed twice? Fuck. What is the other one? Gold saved. Wait a minute. It's called gold earned, okay. Let's do gold earned here first. String gold earned. Engine? Yeah, you can check out how I built the engine. Why not 100 euros? More money? That's not how it works, bro. If you have your game for 100 euros, you are very likely not getting enough sales. Oh my god, it's your own engine? Yeah. I built my own engine. But it took me a long enough time, bro. So it's not really that impressive. Gold saved position. How about that? Who was that guy that put 100,000 app on the App Store? Just make the luxury special edition. Sure. What if it has a limited edition appended to the name? That doesn't work. That only works for AAA games, you know, because people are still too stupid enough to figure out that AAA is just ripping them off. And so they keep spending money. Make a Mr. Almeida edition. I should not spend too much time on this. Gold saved, gold earned. Yeah, we're gonna rework this later, and let's just get rid of this here for now. And we're done with this, and then we can change that stupid and get rid of that too here. Like, we don't need that. Oh man, sorry. Oh. All right, where do we put this? Where do we put this? I don't know where I should put this, to be honest. Maybe just in the middle for now? Bless, thank you. Maybe we'll just put it here for now. Or maybe just in the middle. Because we literally don't have any other stats. Let's see. Stats center dot y minus stats size dot y divided by 2 minus 10 or something. And then obviously we want to outline this. Oh. Font size is 1 and then dot render options is outline. There we go. And I guess we do a material, which is color palette. There was 28, I think. That turns it to blue. And then obviously we need that string. Text. Put it here, I guess. String. What did we call it? Stats. Or we just call it level stats. Requires level. And then over here, boom, and put it here. And that would be level stats. Yeah, now we have string level stats. Can add that in here. And then it is like something here for now. And then in the heading, right, level stats. Oh yeah, and of course we need to center this, right? Here we go. And then in the heading, quickly want to check on that. The text itself plus vector 2. 0. And then I guess we put it down by like 6 pixels or something. Because that's a bit high, right? 4 or 5. 4. And then over here, this has got to be 18 at minimum. Cakes, like this, it's an IGN link. Cakes, have you seen how hardbound does you? I'm gonna ban you, bro. Don't care. Don't really give a shit, bro. See you in 5 minutes, bro. Don't care. Stop making hardbound comparisons, brother.
I don't give a shit, bro. Let me make my game, asshole.
Alright, now, I can press escape and the game keeps running, okay? And so we get a game over all the time, which is wrong, okay? That shouldn't happen. I should not be able to press escape, which is obviously wrong. So there's got to be a protection against this, of course, right? So this is just an active modal if we have lost the level. And so there needs to be protection because, where is this? Wait a minute. What is this? In-game chest open. Fold that too. In-game unlock hero. I should not be able to press the escape key unless we have intro level. So wait a minute, where's this? Speed options buttons, get rid of that too for now. Modals. It is, wait a minute. Draw hero list, yeah. That's a bit odd. Diablo bar. Display upgrades. This is probably the in-game UI, isn't it? It's meta progression, yeah. Yeah, UI. In-level UI. Let's get rid of that. Input in here. So in-level UI. It's everywhere, essentially. What is this draw level info at the top? The buttons modals. So essentially the modals determine whether I can press the escape key or not. In-game tutorials. And so I should not be able to cancel out of certain modals when they're active pressing the escape key. And so essentially currently how that works in my game is I have input at the very top here. And if I press the escape key, I pop an active modal. And so we need to check whether certain modals are active and we cannot escape out of them. Cannot escape out of those modals. Blabbering. Okay, bro. That's your first message today. 5 minutes. Bitch. So. If is active modal. So, let's see. Game state. Lost level modal. Lost level ID, for example. Or. And now we just need to figure out which ones. Come on, bruh. I hate this, you know? Fucking hate this. So which ones do I not want to escape out of? Skill tree is fine. Unlocking heroes is not good. Intro to level is fine. 1 level. Should not be able to escape out of that. Lost level we have. Options menu is fine. Town options. Yeah. Opening a chest. Pressing escape, opening a chest. Well, let's say for now we can't. Level list. That is in the town. Tutorial. I think that's fine. Okay, so those modals, if they are active, we don't do anything. So essentially, we can only pop the modal if these are not active. There we go. I should not be able to press escape. Why can I press escape, bro? Wait, maybe it didn't build. Maybe it just didn't build. Put and. Oh, wait. You're right. Sorry, yeah, you're right. Oh my god! Nah! It's fine. Alright. Thank you, man. Yeah, I cannot press escape out of this. Awesome. The game kind of runs still. Obviously, when the game's over, the game's paused. I need to fix that off stream. Like, there shouldn't be anything happening. So, but I earned 5 gold. And so if I go to home now, I have 55 gold. Which means we have implemented the game loop right now. It means I can go on missions now, earn money, and spend money here. Now, obviously, it's not. We have it. We almost have it. Come on. Game stage, game time. It looks like game time increases based on the speed up, right? Come on, man. I'm doing... You know what? Thank you so much. So I was searching exactly the same thing. Wait. That's bad. That's really bad. So this is essentially running 10 times faster. So what time could I use though? Guys, I have a question for you. Should... Okay. I have a question. So, you guys remember our fixed update? You know how this runs at 1 divided by 50 for Unity delta time, which by the way is 0.02 delta time. Okay, that's the fixed update. And then the rendering this runs at a whopping 1 divided by, let's say, 1000 frames per second. Which in my case is actually how fast that is. You know, FPS. You know, it's really fast, essentially. Now, in the game, when I do speed ups, okay, a speed up so, for example, a speed up by 2 basically calls this twice in 0.02 delta time. So, whenever 0.02 passes, I call this twice. I don't call... How do I explain that? So, essentially, every 0.01 second, I call simulate with this much. Okay, so I'm simulating a step of 0.02 every 0.1 seconds because I am updating the game twice as often now. You understand how that works? And so my question is, the question revolves around game time. Okay? Beside all of this, what about game time? Which delta time value affects game time? This delta time here? Or this delta time here? Which one? Fantastic writing skills, thank you. The rendering one, you say? What is game time? What does it mean? The time at how long the game essentially runs. The fixed update one, yeah, I think so too. So for example, I don't have it implemented in the game yet. Let's say I had, what do we call this? Day and night cycles. It would use this. If your simulation runs twice as fast, the in-game time should increase twice as fast. Okay, cool. No, that's fine. Because you see how fast this animates? You see how fast this like spazzes out? That's because I'm running the simulation right now for the game at 10 times the normal speed. So instead of a speed up of 2, I have a speed up of 10 at the moment. That's why this is animated so fast. And I'm using... Where's this, by the way? Oh yeah, here. Wait, so then let's mark this as this and then view missions. I'm using the game time as time to animate essentially. Expected behavior, no. I think it's the expected behavior, however the UI should be disconnected from the game. And so I don't even know where that is. Where's this? I thought I lost it. I lost it. Animated. T. T value comes from here. Game time. So I need a different time. Time scale should go back to 1 when in the menu anyways. That's true. Though, this is still an effect of me switching to fixed time step from non-fixed time step. So that's a bug in the game, I know that. However, it leads something like real time, right?
Burger? Ruining your burger? No.
I mean, we could also do...
I will never ruin my burger. Absolutely not.
We could do this.
Oh, come on! This is how I start? From yesterday?
But I don't know how often I use the T value.
No,
I use it too
counter
often.
plus yesterday. That does not count. We start out like this.
Wait a minute,
Absolutely
what is
not.
this? Unless... I mean, I could create a static variable, but it's kind of bad, isn't it? It was actually my second message, Cakez. So this is essentially the level icon, Mario map. Look at this, guys. Over here. I mean, we could essentially store like a real time in the game state. Let's see, game time is here somewhere. Over here. Oh, we have an update timer. I wonder what that is. Can I change that? Can I remove this? Huh, no one uses it. Yeah, might as... Wait, actually? JK? Fixed update... Oh! Yeah, okay, fine. Fine, we call this, I guess the... What did you call that? It was a really cool name, I liked it. What did you call it? Real time, yeah, real time. Fixed update loop, frame time. Update frequency, const float, T, update timer, unlocked rendering of the game. Oh wow, there's so many T. Oh yeah, that's the T value. Oh, I guess we just do game state. Where's frame time coming from? Here, okay. Real time plus equals frame time. And then jumping back. Then I literally just... Fuck. There we go. Cool. And then we can rename this to... whatever, that's fine. Was actually my second message. The Box Fox, thank you very much for following. And Lucky Hippo, thank you guys very much for the support and following. See you later, guys. Got really busy on work these days. Yeah, see you later, Paradox, my man. Thank you so much for joining. Cakez shit talking hardbound. Oh, this guy is trying to get a shit talk out of me. I see. So he's trying to bait me. Bro, it's not gonna work, you know? I'm not shit talking hardbound at all. Look at this guys, man. I should ban him. Imagine someone went into his Discord or onto his Twitch channel and posted this. Please don't do that, guys. Bro, Cakez really fucked up this time. Okay, 10 minutes. Get the fuck out of here, bro. What was I doing even? Oh yeah, I was doing... Yeah, now it's animated properly. Okay. Now, let's go on a mission, earn some money, and start playing the game. And figuring out what type of meta progression stats could be useful to have. I think they're smart enough to understand what is said. Yeah, I think people like, yeah, I'm pretty sure they are. So, like, guys, how do we fix round 2? Godot was fastest at the start for me, but these days I feel like I spend half the time fighting Godot bugs and strange behaviors. Yeah, you need to be very proficient, J. Rodin, with the engine and figuring out what's happening if you don't know where a bug comes from. That can lead to a lot of frustration and time spent doing something you don't want to do. Copy my game, I had round 2. And by the way, how did you fix the wave arrows animation without storing the real-time cakes? The way I did it was this. Essentially, I have a spawn frequency whenever they spawn. And whenever I spawn them, I don't spawn, like I don't count again. I essentially, this is when I spawn, and then for incoming and outgoing line indicators, I get a point, and then I just go backwards in a direction using a constant spreading factor of 12 pixels. And so whenever I spawn the line indicators, essentially, I take a point, and then I go 12 pixels back, spawn another one, and 12 pixels back, spawn another one. And now that delta time is... And so that creates a perfectly spaced array of those. And then whenever I call update now using the frame time, even if that's a variable, it doesn't matter because they all move the same distance every frame together. Because they have been spawned with the same distance from each other. And so that creates a perfectly spaced thing. While before what I had is, okay, I start spawning now. Now I count again. Sub-frequency, like it's really annoying. Pirate Software has so many viewers, there are bound to be rabid armies of them who won't understand that context is missing and will go berserk. If people go berserk, we just ban them, bro. Who cares? Like, listen, I've dealt with a lot of toxic idiots. And so we're just gonna ban idiots and move on, bro. Like, listen, if I get a toxic YouTube comment, I just remove it. If I get a toxic comment in chat, and I know that's toxic, I just ban the guy. Who cares? No, they're idiots? No, people that are toxic are idiots. Yes, of course. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, you're not toxic. Right? Alright, let's see. What was I doing? Yeah, we were working on round 2. I think round 2 is too difficult. What do we do here? Maybe we spawn them 5 apart? We are all toxic? No, you guys are actually wholesome. You know, many of you guys are very, very wholesome and nice. You know, you don't like to admit it, but you are. Yes. Alright, let's see. Should probably create a save point here. See how that plays out. We can even play in 10 times the speed. We still lose. But let's see why we lose. What if I do those? They fly too slow. Yeah, so these guys run very, very fast. And my dudes don't attack fast enough. So, in order to fix this, I can turn multiple knobs. We can change this here. The speed. From 60 down to 50. We could turn the HP knob.
Inex, my man, thank you for $3.
Thank you.
FCKU clown.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Thank you for $3 though. Thank you, man. -3, yeah. Yeah, -3. Good investment though. Very good investment. I have to say. Oh! Oh man, my legs. Oh, they feel so good. Oh, when you stretch them. I kind of don't want to nerf the game though. I don't want to nerf it. What's your enemy pixel size on average? It's about 32 by 32. Looks like this. These are most of my enemies here. And the crawlers, this is another enemy I want to do later. Some enemies are taller, like this guy right here. And some enemies are much taller. This is supposed to be a boss. But for the most part, 32 by 32. Anyways, what was I doing? Yeah. About the crawlers. What do I do? You have someone who makes pixel art, or is it you? Looks amazing. Thank you, man. I'm making it myself at the moment. But I did have some help. With, for example, this one right here. It's made by Hold on My Groin. He made that golem for me, which is incredible. Looks really good. It's gonna be a boss in the game. Yes, for sure. But for the most part, I just make the stuff myself, yeah. Don't you win if you put an extra orange? Or if you put them down a bit so they hit the lane below better? Wait, did I place them badly? Well, maybe. You mean like this, right? It's a fire elemental, not a golem. Okay, bro. There we go. Let's test. I mean, we might as well test, right? The first round is always winnable. Let's see, the second round is not winnable. I leaked 3. It's because these guys are too fast. Let's try round 3 again. Yeah, I'm leaking all 3. I did not, however... I did not spend any money. Let's see. We can spend money. Let's try shield orbs on this guy. I think the shield orbs fly too slowly. Yeah, they don't take enough damage, the enemies. And they run really fast. Terrain is giving me Stardew Valley vibe and it's actually really nice. Oh, that's awesome to hear. Yeah, like huge inspiration was Stardew Valley. I love pixel art. It's my favorite art style due to nostalgia with other Game Boy games, I guess. Yeah, Pokemon, right? Pokemon is a big one. Do you have money after round 1 for another tower? Yeah, I do, I think. Ugh. Let's see. We can place another tower, yes. Where would we place this guy? I think here's the best place. Let's see. I think they're still too fast. Yeah, look how fast they are. They run really fast, man. Maybe they're just too fast. I'll try to nuke their speed, but I mean, I really like it, to be honest. Let's try 50. Are they going faster up? No, they walk the same speed. We'll try 50. Round 2 shouldn't have those. It's not round 2 enemies. Less HP if they are fast. So like, I'm kind of leaning more towards more HP, but fast guys should not have as much HP. Let's test. Oh yeah, I didn't do the... Wait a minute. I pressed K. I'm a fucking moron, but we can restart the round. It's fine. So, press K here. Here we go. Test this. It just tests. I mean, it's close. So you're saying the fast guys should not have as much HP. So we keep the speed, but we give them 200 HP. They seem to go fast vertically. No, no, no. That's impossible. Let's test. I mean, they dive really fast now. Look at this.
Gotcha, bitch.
Just finished Kingdom Rush 5 yesterday. I loved it. Is looking forward to how this turns out. That's awesome. I mean, this is a little easy, isn't it, guys? 300 to 500. Let's try 300. Make them faster. You mean even faster? Nah, bro. Let's see. Look how fast they die, bro. Even with 300 HP. Alright, let's try 400. That's the same HP as the white ones, by the way. If you can beat the level, that probably means it was way too easy for the average player, Cakez. Okay, you're insinuating that I can't play my own game and that I'm a bad gamer. You're wrong, and I'm gonna ban you for 5 minutes. You know? Fuck you. Ah, I'm leaking. Wow, so I'm leaking the moment these guys have 400 HP. That's when I'm leaking. So, I could turn another knob, no? We could give the defender a bit more attack speed. Or a bit more damage. Do all mobs take damage? No, only 2 take damage. Place the 3rd tower at the bottom, Cakez. We could try. Sure, we could try, but I think it's too difficult. Essentially. Doesn't really fit. I think he fits perfect here. Wow, he can hit. He can attack twice. Yeah, he can attack twice, damn. So I'm leaking 1. What if I upgrade my dude with an ability, though? Wow, he just runs past the ability. Okay. I mean, maybe? Maybe? Ah! Almost! Okay. I mean, I do not have any skill points in the skill tree spent, right? So that could affect it, but I think it's too difficult for a beginner. You can update weapons, right? Yes, I can also update weapons. So I can give this guy a wooden sword and he attacks 10% faster now. Let's see. I think now. Yeah, so that does it. This one right here. No! That's impossible, bro. It's like 1 HP. What do you mean? Oh, god damn it. No way. Bruh. Shield Ops only active 1 time away. Yeah, so Shield Ops. Bar should never be black. You think it shouldn't? You know what? I'm gonna check it out really quickly. I think you might be right here. Let's test Kingdom Rush. Yeah, I mean, it is green and red. If I remember correctly. Why are these images so fucking small, bro? Oh, sorry. What is this? Give me big images, bro. How do I do this? Wait, how do I... Eh? Bro, like, isn't there like a search filter or something? I can't believe this. Like, how could... Ah, yeah, so the enemies in this game have green HP bars. And then red behind them. You're saying I shouldn't use black as HP bars. I shouldn't use a contrast between red and black because it is too... Is it drawing too much attention? Is that what you're trying to say? Even if the HP is 0.01, it should never round down to show an entirely black or one color. So what you're saying is, when I draw the HP bar, when this right here, the size in X should be sealed. So that that size is always an integer value. Okay. Sure. Oh, that's the animated white bar though. Sorry about that. Shouldn't be this. HP bar on top. There we go. Are you using a game engine? I'm using C++, bro. It's based on this engine. There we go. Overcraft X. And good Armis and BoxFox. Thank you guys for following earlier. It's based. Yeah, it is based. True. Oh, Mr. Real Super Cool made food, but it's not loading. Okay, I mean, sure. But we're trying to balance. By the way, guys, what did we talk about? The balancing, right? Can you place the upper dude next to the tree and give him a shield? I don't have enough money in the game to give this guy another shield up ability. I can only give one unit an upgrade. Let's see. Yeah, so it would hit more, like it hits, in this direction it hits badly, but in this direction it hits perfectly. Or better, essentially. So yeah, the last enemy is not, the last enemy gets past. Yeah, he has like 1 HP left. What do we do? How do we fix this? Put the dude higher next to the tree? No, they have perfect control or perfect vision on the roads. So it looks like the black guys are just too fast. The fast enemies should spawn in between basic enemies. Minus 50 HP on the dudes, not in parallel. I mean, we could try. You maybe, yeah. Man, you're making me fucking hungry, bro. Stop it. Let's go to round 2. Maybe we just start them later. Like 20. Let's test. When they spawn later, it's even worse. Maybe not, though. Wait a minute. I'm earning money, and I can spend money on an ability. Huh, that worked. Okay, I think it works. Maybe the attack range is too small? Yeah, that's his downside. He's essentially dealing 80 damage per attack, but he has a very low attack range. I think me getting enough money for an upgrade, but they still spawn, I think they still spawn a bit too early. Add critical hits should fix it. No, I don't want to do critical hits. Did you limit how many hits a melee weapon can do per swing? Yeah, but you can affect the change. You can change it with stats. That's possible. So, for example, you can hit 2 enemies by default with this guy, but you can upgrade it to hit multiple enemies. But you're not getting this upgrade at level 1. You're getting that later. Okay, let's test. What about this one, the bleed chance weapon? That doesn't attack as much, but does bleed chance. When an enemy bleeds... Oh, look at that. Quite a few enemies do start to bleed. And now we have 60 already. You know, this is when the black guys spawn. So I could potentially, like, give him a weapon. Okay. Looking okay so far. Actually looks nice. I think this is okay. Round 2 should be fine now. What do you guys think? Should we try one more time? It's more about wave design than stats. Now balance wave 3. Yeah. Like, see, that's what you did too, right? Who am I? You played through the game once. You tried to balance it. And then... how enemy groups come out is massive. Looks good. Yeah, so for those of you who don't know, who am I in chat? And I love talking about this because it's so cool. Is the developer of Crystal Guardians. That's a tower defense game on Steam, guys. That is out right now. You can play it right now. I think, does it even have a... It has a demo version out as well. This is the one right here. And he earned quite a bit of money with this. Guardians of the Galaxy. Yeah. Great game. Yeah, really good game. Tower defense game. 3D tower defense game. And very impressed by, you know, how it looks and how it plays. It's really awesome. Very nice. And so that's why I'm asking him specifically, because he has gone through the same thing as I'm going through now. You know, balancing the waves so that they make sense. Let's see here. I'm gonna give this guy the ability Shield Ops. Let's test. So if I have Shield Ops... Okay, so this is when the black guys spawn. I do need an upgrade for the black guys. I can't spawn another enemy. I can't spawn another unit, but if I don't upgrade, they get passed. Yeah. So one gets passed if I don't buy an upgrade. Okay. 83% only. 3 refund cost is scam. What? Galaxy Guardian sold me. Gonna buy it now. Really? That's awesome. Yeah, good. Armis, you're looking for good tower defense games, right? Yeah. That's a good one. Cakez, I always think, what if you upgrade nothing? Should you pass the wave? Yeah, so should I pass the wave? Have you thought about building a system to test out the waves to make sure it's balanced instead of doing it manually and slowly as you do now? Yeah, we talked about this. We thought about a system where it basically the game plays itself. Yes. But right now, I think it's too early. I think it's too early at the moment. I can do it, but I think it's too early. Okay, so Shield Ops kinda works. Any upgrades, except for maybe the equipment upgrades, should work. So any offensive upgrade should work here. The Rusty Sword too. Let's test that. And now I can... So I think what I'm gonna do is spawn these guys. Just test. So this guy gets past. Okay, it looks like the first one gets passed every time. Which means we can even tone down the frequency, spawn them at 26, and then we spawn... How much am I short? I think 26 enemies. And I want to spawn them faster, but at 28. And then maybe I want to spawn like 8. And then dark. Should give me not 4 coins, they should give me 1 coin. An XP reward should no longer exist. Let's get rid of that. Let's quickly fix that. XP reward is gone, by the way, from the game. We don't use that anymore. What is this? Animation state idle? Enemy wizard. Is this a bot? I think the game will be too easy after leveling up meta progression. No, we have not decided on meta progression yet. And we barely get anything for meta progression. I need to balance that. I'm not a wizard, bro, no. Coin reward. It's called coin reward. Okay. Is 20. What is this? Enemy bat. Every programmer is a wizard, Cakez? No. So this is, by the way, a boss. Coin reward. The boss gains me 1,000 gold. What is that? That's a shambler. 200... Hopefully I didn't do something stupid just now. Crawler. What is this? Crawler red.
Gotcha, bitch!
Oh, fuck. I think I made a mistake. Dashinyu. Thank you very much for following, man. Good morning, sir. Coin reward. I think I made a mistake, guys. Uh-oh. Please tell me I didn't make a mistake. The reason why I had these splits is because I was using it for something else. Award XP, award to the attacker. Wait a minute, that should never happen anymore. Handle damage infliction. I should never have that anymore. Level up effect. Ah! Wait, award XP. Yeah, there we go. That should not happen anymore. Because this is after rounds now. Haha! STDIO? Okay, go fuck yourself. We don't need that. Okay. There we go. No, I didn't make a mistake, Shade11. Not every programmer is a wizard, but every Twitch user is a keyboard warrior. Cakez, my game is a bit random. Random path generation, random items, etc. So I can't balance it per wave. More balancing based on how difficult it feels plus how far my bots get. I see. So you have your bots running and like, how do you train your bots to make better choices? What do you do? Or do you just have them play randomly? Or do you, like, how do you tell the bots to do like smart things? Is that like something Unity gives you? Or did you have to make that yourself? Alright guys, we just changed data, which means we have to restart. I made a mistake. placing this guy. That's another issue I have to fix later. So essentially what I want to be able to do later, by the way, is I want to be able to place a unit kind of here so that he hits the bottom, and then I want to place a unit here so that he can hit the top. Essentially, I should be able to place a unit like somewhere here. But this is what I'll do later. Some collision detection code that is not that interesting. Oh man. Okay, let's see. So we have 80 monies right now. And this is when they spawn. So I could potentially spawn another unit if I wanted to. Right, so I do have options. This is the reason why I balanced it this way. Wait a minute. I'm actually winning even without doing anything. Huh. Okay, so I guess we balance round 3 now. Alright, let's do this. Damn. That means I can spawn these black guys faster. We can spawn them much faster, like with a frequency of 1.4 even. Just play random indeed. So it's not 100% accurate, of course. I'm doing a thesis for a university about balancing using the ML agents package Unity provides, so hopefully that gives me more meaningful data. Oh, that's so cool. So that is so cool. So this guy made a game in Unity while he was studying university. He is able to pay off his bills with this game, and he can use university to create, like, he can use his university schooling to teach himself more about his game, you know, learn something for his game, and at the same time finish his university. What game? It's called Crystal Guardians. This game right here. University doesn't teach shit, yeah. That's so smart. So that's what, yeah. So if you go to university, that's what you should do. True. 100%. So smart. Giga chat. Yeah. It does, but 80% of it is shit. Yeah, so what University teaches you, not Unity, is to teach you to be your own boss, essentially. It teaches you what you should do by yourself, learning by yourself, keeping or being responsible. No, how do you say that? Taking responsibility for your actions, essentially. No, like basically holding yourself accountable to learn by yourself. That's essentially what it teaches you. Alright guys, it's time. Let's play through round 1. Guys, I want to auto start the... Actually, I don't. But if I am... wait. Round. Let's mark this as A. And then round. EDX. Level. State. Round EDX. Spawn system reloaded. Round XP. Manage rounds. Okay, so that's called manage rounds. Good morning, my streamer. Good morning, Venus. How are you doing, bro? I also learn a lot, especially about things I wouldn't have studied on my own, which do provide a lot of value. Self-sufficient? No, it's basically you learn to teach yourself in a way. You learn to learn by yourself. You learn to hold yourself accountable to sit your ass down and do something. That's what you learn in a university. It's like basically a life lesson, but a very costly one that you could potentially learn in a better way without having to spend a lot of money. And he doesn't live in the US, which is good because in the US you're basically killing yourself by going to university. And literally, like you have too much depth after that. I think it's crazy that that's even legal. That you have so much depth after just learning something. It's ridiculous. I think the US is just, to be honest, I think it's just a shitty place, man. Especially for that. Nah, I wouldn't go there to university. I get 3K a semester just because, lol. You really? You get that much? That's crazy. You have free speech? That's kind of expensive, free speech, bro. It's more like, you know, pay to speech. Okay, wait a minute. Round index. Where do we increase the round index? Start a new round. Round index plus plus. The level state advanced round index is the maximum of 0. And level state advanced round index -1. There we go. So basically we advanced 1 round and now we go back. And then we also changed the level state, right? Start a new round. If we have the option to start a new round, then we want to set it to preparation. So essentially this is supposed to be an if check here. Because I need to do more now.
Good morning, Senor Cakez.
I don't want to be like
Mr.
Cakez.
Amida, good morning. So guys, I have a question for you. I'm playing the game, right? I speed up the game to 10 times. Then I finish the round. Round's done. I do it like balloons, where the next round causes a pause. Unless you have the option ticked to auto start the rounds. When I'm pausing the game to basically go into the preparation period of the game, should I turn the speed back to 1? Or should it stay 10? Should I essentially do this? Why are the enemies shaking? That's interpolated rendering. Maybe disable interpolation when the scene is paused. Yeah, I will do that. I will disable interpolation. Again, like these are UI bugs that I usually try to fix off stream. Because this has no, in my opinion, this really doesn't have any value. It's not something new we do. Say sorry to Sturdy Paws? Why? Calling me Mr. Amida? Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Sturdy Paws. I'm sorry. I appreciate it that you're joining those. I'm sorry, man. So you guys are saying this. Wait a minute. If we auto starting the if it doesn't have the option to auto start the round, then we want to set it to preparation and set the speed to 1. Shit. Let's try this again. Do they jiggle? They do jiggle on pause. Yeah, I know, guys. I will fix this off stream again. I'm gonna tell you again. There's no reason. So let's see what happens here. I think that's fine. Turning it to speed 1. You know what?
Are you kidding me? Nothing gets past my bow.
Damn, that's a lot of... How am I leaking?
Oh, come on! Awesome!
Oh, wait. Shit. Aha. It keeps the speed. It pauses the game, but it keeps the speed. Interesting. So if I press play... You know what I find interesting? In preparation, the animation speed is normal. Interesting. So depending on the state of the level, it's either running twice as fast or speed 1 during break to original speed when playing. Yeah, so essentially what I have is when I turn this to 10 times speed. Let's begin here, right? I think that's easier. And I don't have this. Go back to balloons, it looks better. Sure, bro. There you go. Your game needs vibrance. I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it. Yeah, so they run really fast. That's crazy, right? Because I'm simulating the game 10 times over. 3 animations. Yeah, I thought about 3 animations for a long time. I will do 3 animations in the future, okay? I just didn't do it yet because for me, gameplay is more important at the moment. Gameplay is king, essentially. And I don't want to spend time on gameplay if I can spend my time in a better way. Okay? But I will have 3 animations in the future, yes. Let's see here. Fixed update. Update frequency. So this update frequency, right, is the one... Well, what I could do here is essentially... Say... Do we have the level state here? We don't. We have the game state, right? And then the level state. Dot state. If it's in preparation, then it's going to be just the update delay. Otherwise, it's going to be the update delay divided by the speed up. Like this. They look like they are on drugs. Yeah. So what about this? Now it's normal. What do you guys think? Is it better? Why does Bloon's color palette look good though? Because a lot of time and effort went into making the game. So if you take a look at this, okay? Take a look at Bloon's TD5. That's their game before. You could see that it has a bunch of vibrant colors. And over the... Wait a minute. This is a good image. Okay, that looks very vibrant. Okay, very saturated colors, essentially. And if we take a look at Bloon's TD4. Anyways, so yeah, we can't find a big picture. They learned well from Cocomelon. Yeah, they did learn well from Cocomelon, exactly. True. So essentially, over time, let's do Bloon's TD6. Over time, they learned how to maximize the saturation and separation between the level and the monkeys to give maximum contrast. It's just something that you work on over time. That's why it looks so good. And so for me, I'm getting there, but I'm not 100% there yet. It's something that you work on over time. So for me, the evolution is to this from this, essentially. It's already a huge improvement. So I can't really look at balloons. I have to look at myself. So from this to this. Is the deer still alive? Yeah. The deer is still alive. Of course. Alright, okay, so round 2. Let's test this again. I'm gonna get this sword here. Let's see. We have 35 monies. Interesting. I thought I would have more. I'm leaking. What happened? Wait a minute. Do I not get money? So we get 1 gold for each kill here. Then I can get this weapon. Upgrade. We get another gold. Aha, so I don't have enough money to do anything in round 2. I should get... Guys, I get it. So instead of only giving experience points per level, we also need to give money. The player needs to have money.
Gotcha, bitch.
Not only XP, but also money. That solves the issue. Now, how much? Round 1. So, float money. Let's call it gold, right? So, how much gold
Gotcha, bitch.
would you get? C Elemental, thank you very much for following. And Pack Van, you guys, thank you guys for following. Welcome. Hello! How are you doing? Maybe give a chest? No, the chest is a drop. The chest is something that drops from bosses. And depending on the bosses, I want to give different loots in the chest. And I most likely will add consumables, but that will be later. That's scope creep. Try, but balloons attack too. I think it will be fire. Give increasing amount, like 20% each level, please. I guess I'll give 100 golds in the first level. I don't know if that's good or not. Why? Is this complaining? Hey? I see. It was there, but I see. Okay, yeah. I see. Okay. I don't know. 100%, 120, 140. I mean, I'm just gonna mirror the XP, I guess, for now. And then see, cause 100 gold is kind of a lot. It's quite a lot. Yeah, we'll have to see how much gold each round will give. Is it true that if I tell you you're muted that I get timed out or even banned? If you lie to me, Pack Van. Hey, how's that Twitch? Good morning, how are you doing, man? Welcome. Hello there, you're looking really happy today. I don't know why you would ask that after following me. I appreciate the follow, though. It sounds rather specific question that you have there, bro.
Gotcha, bitch.
Kalash, Kolash, thank you very much for following too, sir. Hello.
Gotcha, bitch.
If I lie, so you are not muted. Yes, that's not a lie. No, I'm not muted. Exactly, yeah. Come up with a formula instead of manual gold hard coding, little bro? I don't know. Maybe I will. I can come up with a formula, but for now I'm just gonna hard code it. It's okay. It is a lie though. So you're saying that I'm not muted is a lie, therefore you're saying I'm muted. And I'll have you know that I'm not muted. I am in fact... I said not muted. You're playing with fire, you know, bro? You're playing with fire. I'm just saying. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I guess we do round state and then level state seeds plus equals round. Do we have the round here? Do I actually have this? No. So, is it spawn data? Dot spawn data? Is that the rounds? Level state round index dot gold. There we go. I guess it's seeds. Should call it seeds for now. How many seeds it gives. You are not muted, my streamer. Thank you, Venus. I appreciate it. Random idea. What if occasionally something spawns inside the wave that gives you money when you kill it? Just thinking of different ideas. Yeah, we actually have that. You will see in a second. Alright, so now I get seeds between rounds. Which means I should have gotten money here. Let's see. Not muted, yeah, thank you guys. I appreciate it. But guys, can you do this? Can you do this though? I don't think you can do that, can you? Oh wow, 180. Yes. Well, you can, yes. Oh wow, damn, I can spawn a third one now. Alright. And we got money. See, that's one thing that spawns money. You saw that? That's the first thing. And now we definitely gonna lose, I think. Oh wow. Look at this. We managed to do round 2. Okay, let's see. Round 3, and we have 200 money. Guys, that's too much money. I'm earning too much. Not muted, also not smart. Okay, guys. Guys, it's too... I earn too much money. I would need to increase the price of everything. It's too easy. Seems alright. Why would you want to give less money? Well, because if I spawn this, I can literally get the next upgrade already, 160. That's too early. So I can make this guy really powerful already. Take a look. This guy's very powerful. Watch. He has 4 shields instead of 3. And he attacks really fast. Uh-oh, I'm losing. This guy is too powerful. I'm losing actually. I'm still losing. That's bad. Yeah, I'm still leaking. Yeah. I mean, we'll wait for the sword here, okay? Should get enough money for the sword. Right. No. We don't. There's no way we lose. There's absolutely no way, bro. How do I lose? I think you need more money. No. The dude is just too strong. Let's see. Give this. This. I'm gonna go for bleed. Look at the bleed damage. That's awesome, bro. You see that? These tiny bleed drops? Isn't that nice? Haha. We can get more cooldown reduction. Okay, wait, see. So that's around 2. Let's get this one on this guy. Cool. All items are purchasable from the start. No, this is essentially the first boss that's supposed to give me my first item. So the boss is supposed to give me my first item, essentially. Which I can't get to. Because I can't kill the boss. I need like 3 more. Come on. There we go. I don't think I will be able to deal enough damage to this guy. Actually. Come on, delete him. Why do you waste so much time on human testing? What do you mean? That's what I need to do right now, bro. What do you mean? The bleach should stay longer. I can barely see it. Ah, bad. Fuck. How's that Twitch, by the way? Thank you very much for following earlier. Time to restart in Unity? What do you mean? I love this. I love making games in C++, bro. I live for this. This is awesome. No problem, man. I like your game. That's awesome. Maybe do the snake game like TCAP? No. We're not gonna do Unity now, guys. We're gonna do Unity later, guys. When I have my demo version out, that's when we'll do Unity. When I have my demo version and Steam page updated, that's when we'll start doing side projects again. It's not gonna happen in 2040, guys. It will happen this year. I am getting very close to a demo version. It's not really much missing. Instead, except for gameplay balance, essentially, there is a decent amount of gameplay. So, for example, now I lost, right? Sucks. However, I still gained something. You see this? I have 3 skill points spent in the skill tree. I can potentially unlock this right here. I have gained, I have not lost time, essentially. Okay? I didn't lose anything by playing. That's the cool thing. There's still something. Now, I didn't win the level, right? I lost. Or I restarted, and therefore I didn't gain any money. Now, restart means you're not getting money. And maybe I only gain money on successfully completing the level. But I still gained something. Let's see here. I'm gonna give this guy bleeding too. Let's see, so that's number 2, wave number 2. Damn, I love this. You know, the 10 times speed is so awesome. I think I'm gonna give this guy this. Look! Ah, I'm still losing. Wait. Fuck! Almost. Can he even win alone? Oh wow, he can't win alone. Oh. Yeah, that's fine. We're just leaking some. That's fine. It's totally okay. Okay, we get another one here. Good, didn't leak. If you like the faster pace, make your game fast, cause saying 10 times is awesome tells me You think it's boring? No, it's I don't think so. I don't think it's boring, actually. I see what you mean. I'm trying to, like, search my feelings in a way, but I don't think it's boring. Ooh, look at that. So this would be the time when we get our first weapon upgrade. So essentially, these guys wouldn't even have upgradable weapons and items at the moment. So balance-wise, this is when we would get our first weapon. But in this case, we get money, of course. And so with this money, I think we need to lose or win. And we just gained another level. Can you play to skip song for me? Can you play the skip song for me?
You can play with these nuts, bitch. Fuck, I'm losing. Shit, I'm losing.
Looks awesome, but I'm losing. Can you read from there? We're winning. I'm not losing, I'm winning. Look at this, guys. I'm dealing damage to these. Oh, this guy's gonna leak. Guys, I just can't bring myself to nerf this. Sorry. I just can't bring myself to nerf. Why are we balancing with weapons the player won't have yet? Cause this is what Ramis told me I should do. Ramis told me, Cakez, what you should do is look at the core gameplay loop. And see what the player will do in the core gameplay loop. And so that's what we're currently doing. In the core gameplay loop, you have your items, you have your abilities. And ultimately, that's where you start off to balance your game. But you don't have it yet? Is Ramis your dad or something? Yeah, he's my dad of game development, yes. And you have a problem, bro? Do you have a problem? You wanna say something, bitch? Hmm? No? Okay. I guess you have to balance it in stages. Yeah, I think I have to balance it in stages. So I wanna ask, who am I? Are you still in chat? Yes. Bro. I know that you're using bots. But before you used bots, how would you figure out... Like, maybe I should start balancing without items and then unlocking items as we go? Your maps are full sprite with added collision boundaries, or the tiles are rendered from code? My map is essentially a tile set in the background that I built. And then the trees are collidable objects that block projectiles. Okay, guys, let's see. Round 5. Wait, how is he not hitting? Hey? How is he not hitting these guys? They are clearly inside. There's definitely something odd going on here. It doesn't hit the guys up here, but it hits them down here. So there's definitely something odd. The whole game has no balance. It does have balance. You're wrong. You're wrong. It does have balance. Shit, I'm leaking. I'm fucking leaking, bro. I did earn gold and I saved 46. So if I go here, I have 98 gold. And this is where we would get more powerful. So for example, Lone Ranger is something we could get. I'd say a balance each stage without items. With item X, with item Y, with abilities, etc. But by balance, I mean up to a certain stage. You don't want to balance more advanced levels, else the player always wins. Slow down the boss. Random idea if the occasionally spawns inside. Wave, just, yeah, slow down the boss. Yeah, maybe I should slow down the boss. Every time I hear Cake say he's leaking, I imagine him peeing his pants. I'm sorry. Dude, you just followed today. What is wrong with you, bro? Where did you come from? Go away! Bruv, stop! That is what he actually means? Okay, bro. Okay, so what could be a good power-up that we could get? That shouldn't be too expensive. I came from YouTube. I follow you there. Oh, I see. What would be a good power-up? Depending on the... Like, we have 98 gold, right? We can't beat the first mission. What could be a good power-up for these guys? They have cooldowns. They have projectiles. What would be a good power-up here? For defenders in general. So I could, for example, a very simple power-up would be defenders gain cooldown reduction. Ability to buy some weapon. Or weapon upgrades for the defender are cheaper. Defender, so more health. Make monsters slow to decrease the difficulty. Weapon upgrades, discount for defenders are cheaper. But the defender doesn't have that crazy of doesn't have the craziest weapons, because the defender is more of a basic unit. And so now the defender has easier weapon upgrades, which means they can start dishing out damage more early, but late game they are not as viable of a choice. Yell to slow down monsters around it, that could be an ability. So like weapon upgrades for the defender are cheaper. That's a nice idea. I would just need to have an upgrade cost stat. That's a cool idea, bro. Why not? See, power-ups. Let's add a new power-up to the list. Power-up. Weapon. Or weapon discount. The defender who only buys swords doing classic defending. I feel like one ranged guy may fix also. Well, we can try, right? Why not? I'm gonna spawn ranged guy and yeah, but this ranged guy is not balanced. Give me a second, I need to balance his range again. Game CPP, Ranger. He had 28, it looks like. Is it possible to body block the path with heroes? No, you can't place heroes on path anymore. I know that you like that, iLordyX, but there will be other means to block enemies in the future. That I still have in the game, but I just didn't add them back in yet. So how do I do this? He needs to have... I guess the best place is here. Alright, so let's see. He deals 50 damage, so not that much, by the way. He's kinda slow. What is his attack speed again? 1.6, maybe 1.8 needs to be better. Yeah, long time no see, ILODX. Hope you're doing good, bro. He also misses and he doesn't hit several enemies. Yeah, I know. But he will have higher attack speed and a higher range. So I'm actually leaking, but that's because I didn't have the high attack speed on him. So we'll try this again. So this is already better, you see? Now, we can upgrade this guy with damage, attack speed, attack radius, damage, attack speed, but pierce. So then he has a really nice crossbow, which looks a bit odd. It's actually really odd why that is not... Ah, that's why I had the weapon distance. Yeah, so we give him the crossbow. And then this guy will get... On an unrelated note, leaf helmet ability. For every certain number of kills, a leaf grows on the Tangy head, forming a helmet, providing armor. Bro, that's too much. Like, visually too much to implement, bro. It needs to be a simple item that doesn't change. I think it's nice. Nice idea, but I think it's too crazy for me. You know? Would be too much scope creep. So yeah, now we pierce. We deal twice as much damage, essentially. If I obviously hit 2 enemies, right? Could have 3 different helmet items. One of them transforms into a different item after a while. I'm gonna abuse that shield upgrade so much. The shield upgrade? Oh, you mean the whatever that's called? Look at this, guys. It does work. Okay. We won. Cool. So now this guy can get some stuff. Explosive arrow. Deals 120 damage or ice shot. Let's try ice shot. And then you get this ability and this ability. Let's see. You feel that's a good that you can't win with only melee because it adds a strategic element. Yeah, there will be more strategy that goes into the game. Like much, much more over time. I'm missing. I'm actually missing. Guys, the reason why I'm missing is because... Why the fuck is he missing? Why is he missing? But I'm winning, I guess. Okay. We won. Oh, we lost to this guy. Okay. Yeah, I need to program the abilities better, of course. That's called... This is called, you know, fixing bugs. Losing is on game. Depends if you are reporting racism or something. How many waves till will the demo have? I wanted to have like 20 waves, maybe 30. Quite a lot of waves. Who am I? How many waves did you have when you began? Okay, let's see. Weapon upgrades are, let's see, cheaper, right? Let's do that really quickly here. So over here that would be power up starting hearts. Type, power up early rounds. Comma. Power up starting hearts. Then the book. That's gotta be heart. String. Hearts or something. String. String stat name round hearts, I guess. Description. We don't have a description. Cost, and then we do hero stats. It's kind of hero stats, alright, but yeah. Count is 1 and then dot elements is how did I do this again? Type and then okay, so that's what it is. Okay. Stat starting hearts or stat hearts, round hearts, and then I want to give 5 hearts for each level here, and then I guess I'm gonna do 500, 1,450, 2,700, some weird numbers, 5,000. There we go. Cool. That's starting hard, and then the other one here, this is power up. What is it called again? Power up early rounds, not early rounds. It's a weapon discount. Weapon discount. So every single defender will have that. Oops. If we invest into it. Are you still a Never Nester? Yeah, I'm a Never Nester, of course. Yes. What do we have here? Meta book, coin. Let's do coin. Then string. I guess we don't have that, huh? String. What do we call that? Weapon discount. Discount. There we go. The string, weapon discount. And the description is something we do later. Let's see, early rounds. Weapon discount. Let's call it weapon discount. One more nest and I'll stop? What do you mean? What do you mean, sir? Let's put this at level 0. Weapon discount. Keep the price where it is. Maybe we are able to invest into this quite early. Maybe, you know, 980 or something is the next one. And then we have, like, we need to have some upgrades that are quite cheap, right? Maybe 1,000, maybe 2,220. I'm pretty sure. So guys, you know why I did this number, and I probably should do these like, I don't know, like that, and then 222. You know why these numbers? Because Vampire Survivors does it too. I think there's a reason for that. And I guess we need a discount here. Stat. We don't have that stat yet, so I need to add that in. But what we could do here, let's say it's level 0, right? And we put it to level 1. Then in the game, when we do a choice over here, it costs. It has an upgrade cost. Right. Let's see, weapon. Let's see. Wait a minute. Mark this. Weapon upgrades. Draw weapon upgrades. Weapon data. Draw UI. Wait a minute. Do choice. Where's do choice? There we go. Do choice. The upgrade cost. Where's that coming from? Ah, here. There we go. If power-ups on power-up weapon discount. If we have it greater than 0, then the discount should be, and obviously this will be a stat, right? And so to do, I need to remove this and turn into stat, I think, maybe. Weapon upgrades. And so, but only if we are a defender. So which one is true? It doesn't really matter, right? If hero dot hero type ID is the same as hero defender and the power up exists, then we want to turn the upgrade cost minus equals upgrade cost times, wait, how do we do this? I want to divide it by 1 plus. Oh my god! Stop fat fingering! Sorry. By power ups. Hey! Sorry. Power ups on power up. Weapon discount. Dot level. Times 0.2.
Gotcha, bitch.
20%. 20%. And by default, it looks like this power up is what level? No, what level is this by default? Let's test level 1. Okay, let's say we have invested into level 1. So now, this defender, instead of it costing 60, it costs 50. Ha! Look at this, guys. It works! Isn't that cool? Thank you very much for following Neosi Burgaya. Good morning. Damn, those are many tests, no many nests. I think you won't work. I think if you won't work on this program for a month or two, you forget everything. No, that's not how it is. Make it free on Fridays? Yeah, did you play too much Diablo 4, bro? What's happening there? Free on Fridays? Bruv. It's awesome! Bro, good day. Hope everything is good. Yeah, mind. Hello there. Good morning. Yes, thanks for asking. And, S. Le Peuple. Thank you very much for following, bro. Okay. Let's see here. Weapon discount. I can create a description for that really quickly. Description, weapon. So, defenders. Wait, weapon upgrades. Let's mark this as A and then put this here. Power up, weapon. Let's do it like this. Weapon upgrades. Cool! Look at this, guys. Watch. Home. Weapon upgrades for defenders cost minus 20% per level. Costs 988 monies. How are you doing, Cakes? Good. Isn't that awesome? I don't have the money. I have 98 monies, but still. Nice. Yeah, right? So now we have weapon discount. Ooh! Guys, I have a cool idea. It's not, we're not going to use the coin, but the sword. Wait. Attack. Look at this. Look at the icon change. This. Shit. Guys, it doesn't fit.
The UI doesn't fit now. That's less money. It's fine.
Leave it for a UI pass. What is that? Door? Leave? Wait a minute. Wait, is that one emo? Emote? Bro. What the fuck? That's crazy, bro. What the fuck? Damn. Make scalable UI your poop? No, you are poop. Fuck you. Upgrade here. Tangies do double damage, but use 1 gold per attack. No, I can't do that because you would lose your gold. Invest it into level. Now, it's a cool idea, but not this way for endgame. Cakez, you're gonna ship the game with black bars on different aspect ratios? Yeah. Gonna ship the game like this. Yes. It's called letterboxing. That's what I'm gonna do. Yes. Of course. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Of course not. Why would I? It is, isn't it, minus 20 or 100% times 0.8 by discount. Did I do something wrong here in the calculation? So I basically divided by 1.2, 1.4, 1.6. So let's say we have a cost of 100 monies, right? Let's say we have $100. Dollar, okay? 100. And we divide that by 1.6. That's 62. And if we divide that, the same thing, by 1.2, we have 83. So 60% reduction is... Wait a minute. Yeah, 60% reduction is like this. Yes. I could multiply it differently, of course. I could say I have 100 and I multiply that by 0.8. Or I have 100 and I multiply that by 0.4. So like, what do we have here really? When we have 100% reduction of $100 and we say, okay, we will have $100 and we divide that by 2, that's 100% reduction to 50. People are gonna be upset if they can't use their whole screen to see the game. What do you mean? If someone has a screen that looks like this, then they will see the full game. If someone has a screen like this, they will see the full game. If someone has a screen that's like huge long ass screen, then they will just have black bars here. But they still see the full game. They always see the full game. But in some aspect ratios will look real good on the tablet and phone. 100% equals free, 50% of the price, not 50% of the price. Alright, so I guess weapon discount is then... Well, we'll calculate this differently then, guys. It's fine. Guys, we just multiply this, okay? By this times that. Are you guys happy now? You're happy now. So now it's multiplied. It's an actual reduction. But we only have 30%. Guys, it's fine. No, now it's fine. Okay? Yeah? You happy? Yes? Smiley face, yeah? You guys happy? I have 16 by 10. If you have 16 by 10, then you will have a little bit of a black border on top and on bottom. Like this. Guys, that's normal. It's called letterboxing. Okay, guys, this is how we're gonna do it. Alright, cool. Thank you. Now, we had enough money to spend, let's say, for the first upgrade, right? We went for the weapon discount on the first upgrade. That worked. Cool. Now we can try to play the game again. Let's press F11 so that we can have full screen. Let's test. Oh, I kind of wanted to play with the ranger, didn't I? Let's see. So my weapons... Wait, they cost 12 now? Oh, wait. This was minus. For some reason, I turned that into a multiplication. Supposed to be a minus. Let's see here. Yeah, 48 makes more sense. Okay, so it costs 48 to upgrade weapons. Damn, this is 160 now. From 200 down. That's crazy. So this guy can get level 2 weapon already in round 2. That's crazy. Look how fast he attacks. Crazy, man. Take a look at this. The weapon makes the shields faster. Good morning. Timothy Kane just posted a video on balancing game features. Lol. No way. I can't watch it right now. He's gonna get mad, is he? I need to kill this guy. I need to kill him. Fuck. I'm not able to kill him. He has too much life. The crawler red skeleton has too much life. He has 2000 life and runs too fast. Maybe I let him run at 24 speed. Ranger would kill him. Yeah, so the ranger would kill him, right? I suppose you're right. Let's try this again. We get a ranger here. Let's test that. Yo, hey, Avatar for Zula. Long time no see, bro. 2 years ago, the most common aspect ratio was 16:9 with 90% according to Steam stats. I can't find recent ones, but it's fine. Yes, it is fine because Bloons does it too. I'm not going to worry about this, guys. I can't even... Guys, it's physically not possible for my type of game to not have letterboxing. It's almost impossible for my game to not have letterboxing. How much does the ranger have? I still feel like the prices for the weapons are... Of course it's possible. Would require less hard-coded numbers. No. So for example, let's press F11 again. Let's say someone has a screen like this. I cannot... Well, I can extend the level up on top here. Yes, I can. And I do that already. But I can't really extend the level at the bottom. Hey, shit. Bro. Fuck, man. Didn't pay attention. Fuck. I can't essentially extend the level at the bottom here. Because this is where the exit is. And I don't have scrolling maps. I don't have a camera that can zoom out. It's by design. So there needs to be letterboxing here. It's the game is designed by that. Cover the exit. Bro. I could extend it to a certain point, but not indefinitely, essentially. Is there gonna be levels where you can't see the whole map and have to scroll? At the moment, no. I have the ability to scroll, I can potentially generate maps that allow me to scroll. I can create bigger tile maps. So essentially all I need to do to make a bigger tile map is go into my tile editor and go to, for example, the background position here. Go to the game background and then change these tile layers. The world grid and rows. I need to change these two variables. Okay, now I can double them. I can double them. Fine. I can go here. I can move this around. That already works. Okay. And the path is literally just... I could put the path here if I want to. And now the enemies... They would come from... They would go there. They would come from here. You see that? So I can potentially design the levels the way you think. Yes, I can. If I want to, I can. He's fucking missing, man. Let's get some money. Can you have multiple paths? Yes, you can. You can have multiple paths. There will be multiple paths in the future. And by play it, I mean create the test bed so you know what the expected data should be. Sorry, unsure. I can remember doing some old crap C++ to unwind pointers and addresses. Just play with it. Wouldn't it just then return the first value? Let's see. Oh, you guys are talking about C++. Yeah. Does your archer have pierce so it can hit multiple enemies in one shot? Yes. So this weapon that the archer has, by default he can't. But the weapon the archer has allows him to pierce. This gives him pierce count +1. You see the green stat at the bottom there? Crossbow. By default he doesn't have pierce, but you can invest into pierce. And in the skill tree, this one is not designed yet. There's basically just a bunch of trash, essentially. This skill tree is the most developed out of them all. Can you have enemies come in from borders of the map? Yeah, of course. Like, look. So I could generate another path. Then switch to that path. And I don't know if enemies spawn here yet. So far they only spawn in one path. But let's see here. I mean, might as well test, right?
Gotcha, bitch.
Raid and run. Oh, hey, Togglebit.
Gotcha,
Good
bitch.
morning, you guys. Welcome, everyone. Hello there. Hope you have a great day so far. F11. Hello. Can you F11, please? There we go. Good morning. Hello. Welcome. We are working on gameplay today. We have done a lot of meta progressions things. And now we are playtesting the game and talking about it. You know, talking about game balance in general. Hope you guys had a good stream in Mr. Togglebit. With Mr. Togglebit. Dude, this game looks amazing. What engine are you using? Oh, thank you very much, bro. Fruit Superman. This is the engine. It's a C++ engine I wrote myself. It does have nooks and crannies, of course. It's not perfect. But yes, thank you, man. I appreciate it. So let's see if enemies spawn from multiple locations. I don't even know. I have not tested it. I would assume they just use the first path. We can figure this out here. Spawn... Not here. Spawn enemy. It adds an enemy to the game. But it doesn't choose a path for the enemy. Okay. Skeleton. Target waypoint index. Okay. It doesn't seem to... Okay, and then enemy follow path. Ah, okay, so this right here is not randomizing the path. That's essentially the path here. And spawn enemy. Essentially what I could do is this. C++ looks like Python after Rust. What is this guy talking about, Tema? Looks like Python after Rust? Like Python? You mean that it's easier? Because Rust is bad? True. I agree. Yes. Right? That's what you mean? No, so like by bad, I mean bad to read. Correct. Path should be bounded with wave definition. Yes. So essentially, we are in 4, right? A batch of spawning data should tell which path it takes, if it can use that. Of course. So I guess it would be an int path index, right? And by default, that's 0. Please tell me I can just add that in. And then if I wanted to go to round 4 and say the dark skeletons should be on the first path if they exist. And then we do enemy follow path. Then we check if game state level dot paths dot count is greater or equal to the enemy dot path index. Oh wait, no, actually if it's... Wait a minute. I need to think right now. If my path index is less, no, is greater or is greater than the count. I almost have it. Yeah. Then we set the enemy.path index to... Wait a minute, that doesn't make sense. If I have index 1 and count 1, that wouldn't work. So now some enemies will try to spawn on path 2. Let's see. Surely, yeah, this surely will work. Why are they not spawning on why are they not spawning on this round? That doesn't make any sense to me. Like true. Spawn enemy. Spawn badge.type. Enemy path index is spawn badge dot path index. There we go. I didn't do this. That's why. Path count is 0. Crash. Wait, can this crash on path 0? Don't tell me it can crash, bro. And if it can, help me fix it, bro. Oh, you mean this? So how about that? Needs to be clamped between 0 and game state level.path.count. -1. Shit, it doesn't work either. Bro, it's not going to have, like, paths will, like, there will be one path, bro, okay? Still will crash, I know. Indexing 0. Yeah. So, okay, fine. So the maximum of 0 and that. Okay. That works. Awesome. Now enemies should spawn on this little thing right here and walk like across the map. Right? Okay, bro, that is fuck some stupid bullshit like. Good job. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Wait, I'm around 4, yeah. Just wait, you know. Int A is 0. Guys, the demo version will come out this year. 100%. It will come out this year. Successfully one guy, Tim. No, it's a good feature to have. Ha! Aha! See? Okay. By the way, there should be a path reference. Const. I don't want to copy that. It should work, and I just don't understand. Sorry, but this is dumb. I'm sorry, but this is stupid. This should, okay. If enemy.pathIndex is greater than 0, int b equals 0. That's dumb. Cakez, careful with those 100% statements. We have Wukong after 100% for a couple of days now, you know. Did I say that? Oh. Kinda is in the title. I mean, I'm working on it, bro, okay? That breakpoint is a bit odd. Ha! Huh? Some fucking bullshit, bro. We need to get around foul really quickly, guys. I need to cheat really fast. No. No. Round 2. Relax. Relax. Round 2. Dot. Wait. Dot. Round index is 1. Path index. Sorry about that. Wrong name. Hi. Okay. Now work, please. Please, just work. Please, just work. Okay. Wait. Of course. I'm stupid. Wait. I didn't have the path yet enabled. Plus. Now it's enabled. Now it's there. Come on! Why you not spawning on 2, bro? You spawning on 2. Ay! Two! Wait a minute. Yeah. That's bad, bro. If I... Wait. Am I so fucking stupid? I have 2 paths. Guys, can I not do... Why can I not do simple math? Can someone please explain that to me? Why can I not do simple fucking math if I have 2 paths? You know? Then the index can go from 0 to 1. If I have 2 paths, it can go from 0 to 1. If I have 1 path, it can only go to 0. So, I need to do count minus 1. Yeah. No, it's fine. Yeah, it's okay. No, it's okay. But then... why is it 0, man? I literally called it 3 times. Ha! Aha! Path index. Aha. 1. Bro, it lost the enemy. It lost the enemy. I'm so angry. Aha, it spawns another one on 1. And then it like somehow... Oh my god, I'm so annoyed by this. I know what it is. Fucking... You guys will laugh. You will make fun of this. God damn it! It's gonna work now. Where's the part? After velocity, okay. Velocity is here. Velocity is after the previous position, okay. Yeah. Attack direction, okay. I'm sorting this now. I need to calm my brain, you know. ADHD really feels good when you sort things, when you do like small little W's. And what I'm doing right now is I'm collecting W's. Waypoint index is right after the attack direction, and then the path index after that. That's awesome. And then after that we have the animation index. Okay. Yeah. Put that here. Nice. Like that. Facing direction. Okay. Where's that? Here. There we go. Sorted 2. After facing direction we have push time, push force and speed. Yeah, push time, push force and speed. That's awesome. Then after that we have animation state, animation time, cast time and usability. Animation state, animation time, cast time and usability. That's awesome. And then we have the abilities, the ID stats, layer and buffs. Abilities. Huh? Abilities ID. Yeah. Buffs. Wait, I don't store these. Do I? Ah, I see the health percent. Okay. So, and then buffs is after that. And then I guess the layer. When is the layer doing? What happened to the layer? Layer is after stats. So these need to be changed. These two. Buffs is the last one. Lazy Pigeon, thank you very much for following, man. And Rex Nash, you too, bro. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate it a lot. Now it works, guys. Guys, it works 100%. Watch. I'm so confident. I'm so confident that it will work. That enemy follow path. We don't even need this. It will just work. You did great work, Giant W. Thank you. I see an error on line 81,000. You're wrong, and I kind of should ban you for that, because I'm actually 24,000 lines. Okay? So you're spreading lies, and I do not appreciate that, bro. Actually, I'm gonna ban you for that, if you know. 2 minutes. It's gonna work. Yes, guys, it will work. Deserved ban, not gonna lie, yeah.
I fucking hate this, man. This is not a bug.
I know what it is. It's the same arc. Config file passing. No. I know what it is. Position. How does it know where to spawn the enemy? Huh? Ah. Aha. Here we go. Wait, so I have that many paths, right? I need to do -1, that's the index. And then I need to take the maximum value of those. Right? Can someone explain to me why the fuck this is a problem here? Aha. So int path index is this. And then we... Dude, you're getting... Ah. Sorry about that. It wasn't implemented, guys. It wasn't implemented. Of course. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Maybe this should be handled here. Nah. I need that. Like, I need to do this too many times. You see this? I will have to do this in like 10 locations. That's bad. So maybe I should just... But I mean, I'll do it like this for now. Guys, I'll do this off stream, you know. I'll figure out crawler. Yeah. We'll figure it out in a way. Nah, it's an Emacs skin. Guys, I don't use Emacs. Okay, cool. Did that. Now, let me think. I forgot something. I know I did. Yes. Enemy. Follow path. This needs to go away now. Because I know that each spawned enemy has the correct path index. Do you have a mob base class, Cakez, that you can then just have it part of the base class in it? No. Which engine are you using? Oh, hello there, Tjess. On YouTube, I'm using this engine right here. There we go. If you wanna take a look. I'm gonna copy the message for you. Currently, I don't have YouTube commands. I don't even know if they exist. Let's see, commands.
Gotcha, bitch.
No, they don't exist on YouTube. True Scotian, thank you so much for following. Find a list of all commands here. Okay. What a slow response. Okay, guys, I think it works. But the dark crawlers shouldn't spawn there. Eh? Why is it... Why do they spawn on the first round? I kind of want to watch the video about gameplay right now. Because of the -1. Because of the -1. Wait a minute. With that max function? Yeah? Max function, you guys are right. Shit. Fuck, man. How do I do this then? Wait. Fuck. Of course. I need to put an if there. You guys are right. This function sucks, right? So if the path index, or the spawn batch path index is greater or equal to the game state devil.paths.count, then we need to set it. I mean, int path index is, I guess, yeah. Like this, right? We set the path index to this, and then we assign the path index here. That's what we do. Like this, right? Path count -1 will always be... Change it to min. I can't do change it to min because it can go negative. It never will be negative because I will not design a level where the path will be greater than 0, where I will not have any paths. I will not design a level where there's not a single path so that enemies can walk on, right? So, but essentially... But max doesn't work here. Now it does. Now it does. It's always gonna be last path. Yeah, now it does. Okay, finally. Cool. Yeah, of course he loses. Very nice. Awesome. Round 2 should have this, by the way. Round 1 will spawn here. And then round 2 should spawn the crawlers here. And the dark ones, I guess I lose, huh? So we have to like kind of build 2 here. So they kind of mow them down. Please tell me I don't lose. Fuck. I mean, I guess I'm leaking 1, which is fine. Okay. Got some money. Get this ability and cooldown maybe. And then 2 upgrades. Yeah, so... Wow, even... Wow, they leak. But yeah, it does work. Cool. Awesome. Very happy about this. When on round 2, will you gain +1 path? And one will have 1? No. I will design levels where the rounds or the paths are... For now, I will design the levels where the paths are static, in a way. Okay. Stop leaking cakes. Yeah, like, we're gonna have to work on that, bro. Are you on paternity? I know Germany has some decent paternity leave policies. No, I'm not, because I'm a freelancer, essentially. And as a freelancer, I'm not... Like, I don't have vacation, essentially. I don't have that. He's a schmarotzer. No, I work as a freelancer for a company, so there is no vacation. And there is no paternity leave, essentially. I don't... It's not a real job, like a normal job. It's, yeah. What do you do as freelancer? I code and solve problems, essentially. Like when there are issues with programs and stuff like that. Ouch. Yeah, kind of sucks, I know. But I try to become like a streamer, game developer, so that I can get... I don't have to do the job anymore. I'm working on that at the moment. Like trying to grow that. Do you code in C++? Yes, I do. I code in C++. I'm still happy that we did make some good progress today. And yeah, now we can spawn enemies on different paths. And this guy right here is not too expensive, too difficult to beat. At least for the 2 defenders here. Which means I'm gonna have to figure out a way to make the defender more powerful, or maybe better upgrades. I don't know. Let's test this one more time. So I'm gonna give him bleed. See, bleed, and then I kind of wanna not go here this time, but I wanna go for bleed damage. Let's see if I can bleed him down. Test that. Oh no! Wait. Of course. Fuck, we need to get rid of this path. Here we go. Ah man, whatever. Okay. I kind of broke something right now by deleting this path, but I don't want to deal with this right now. No, I meant the freelance work, sorry, as in you code in C++ for your main job. No, I don't code in C++ for the freelance stuff. It's web development mostly. So JavaScript and Python. And what is it called? PHP. Those 2. Cakes, just curious, from 0 to 10, how far are you there to go without a side job? Only if you want to share, of course. From 0 to 10, 40% maybe? Like, I don't... Like, so like this might sound weird for you guys, but like my job as a streamer is to earn money, and I think I'm not incentivizing bits enough and TTS and stuff like that, stuff that you could use to interact with the stream, and therefore me not doing that. From 0 to 10, yeah, then 4, bro. Well, bits, the bot feature, yeah, I started working on that yesterday. I know. I started working on that yesterday. Let's see here. Wait. Round 2. We have to hurry up. I want to go for maximum bleed on both of these. And I want to get this bleed ability. Oh, wow. We got 100 gold. $5 donation to spawn in a boss during test, to be honest. During testing, to be honest. Hello there, my man. Popsick. Good morning. So yeah, stuff like that. Like, that would definitely be more helpful towards the goal, of course. Cakes, I would give bits if I would have the would move the demo closer. Thoughts? No, it's got to be like out of, like, how do I explain that? It's got to be something that happens naturally, just not because there is like I would call this emotional manipulation. Not because of emotional manipulation. Just because it's fun and engaging. Alright, let's see. Now, can we beat this guy? Oh, we can so beat this guy, can we? Come on, man. Oh yeah, he's so dead. Okay, cool. So I just changed my build. And all of a sudden, I'm able to beat the round, the level. It's fun to see you suffer. Look at this, guys. We won.
Gotcha, bitch.
MD Fury, thank you so much for following, man. Good morning. Awesome. Good gameplay changes. And then, wait, didn't I go for bleed damage before? 10% more. Rando Weirdo, thank you so much for following too. Welcome, guys. Okay, cool. Very nice. Now, obviously, I don't have this weapon in the very beginning. I don't have any weapons. So, yeah. Greetings, I really like the WoW game.
Gotcha, bitch.
Can I buy it? The WoW game? I don't know what that means, bruv. This is not a World of Warcraft game. What do you mean? And Baulas, thank you very much for following too, bro. Welcome. Sir. Huh. So they do bleed. Wait, this guy bleeds for 0. I should probably not make them bleed for 0, huh? Damn. You guys think bleed should last longer, you said. Yeah. Bleeding skeletons, nice. World of Tangerines, World of Tangies. Yeah, maybe World of Tangies. Let's see here. Oh, I got him. Okay. Yeah, we get them. So, wow, cool. I can kill them with bleed. Here's skeletons, so bleed would be 0. No, like yes and no. I know that bleed on skeletons would be 0, but I still have it in the game. I know that this guy, it doesn't really make much sense, but yes. The wizard wasn't good about, like, the wizard is good about against armor, but in the tutorial, we just unlocked him. So if this was the actual tutorial, then this is the place where we would have unlocked him right now. We wouldn't have had him for the last wave. The reason why we only get him now is because I need to introduce the armor wave before introducing the solution. So essentially I introduce a problem and I have partial solutions with bleed and armor penetration, armor pierce. And then the other solution will be an elemental attacks from the wizard. Oh no. I don't know why that. Oh, it's because it's not writing properly yet, but yeah, okay. It's fine. It's fine.
Gotcha, bitch.
Dagger, thank you so much for following, bro. So yeah. Essentially, whenever he gets to the skeletons, you see he easily burns through them. Right? Oh wow, he got so lucky with burning. Yeah. Crazy. Yeah, burning is something we need to fix next. We already fixed bleed. Cool. It's bad to unlock everything in the first map, and even fewer first rounds would be too overwhelming. Yeah, no, the reason why we are playing it like this for now, for those of you who think that we will have all of this from the beginning, no, we won't. I'm just testing with what I have to see if it's... essentially to see if it is too difficult or too easy. And at the moment, it's too difficult, unfortunately. Do they still go faster when on fire? That is a mechanic that will be unlocked with keystones, which I have not implemented yet. But for example, this guy will have a keystone where... keystone, right? Essentially, where burning deals a lot more damage, but the enemies run faster. That will be a keystone at the very right here. And you will only have 3 keystones in the game. And these will be unlocked as tier 5 abilities, essentially. This will be the art, like this will change how the character plays tremendously. Why did you go for the TD genre, Cakez? Because I like TD games. I played a tower defense game in the past and that was really cool. And so I decided that I wanted to play a TD game, make a TD game myself because I still wanted to play it. And so that's essentially why I got into it. The TD game that I played shut down for me. And so I had to make my own because I liked the idea of enemies fighting back. And I didn't have that in any other game that I played. Maybe a little bit in Kingdom Rush I had that, but not to the same extent. Did you play Defense Grind? No, I didn't play Defense Grind, but played a game called Millennium War Aegis. This one right here. It's like a gacha game that used to be there in Europe, but it's no longer available. They shut it down. And so now it's only available to DMM, like the Japanese website. Have you guys ever heard about that? It's like a bunch of Japanese or gacha, hentai, whatever games, right? The idea for the game was really cool, though. I really like that. So essentially, like I'm trying to find a good image, but... And also like, since it's a gacha game, you know, hopefully we don't get any like terrible... I need a big picture of like a map. Yeah, this one's good, I guess. So essentially the idea for the game was that you see how the enemies attack your heroes. The heroes are to the left. And there were certain spots where you could place your heroes. You could either put them beside the roads or on the roads to block the enemies. And the enemies would have archers and melee guys. And so they could attack you back. And you would have to make sure that you are healing. So this one right here is a healer. And this one right here is a healer. And I really liked that idea.